So one of the most unique aspects of Truly Nolen, I think, is you have a family business, a very large family business that keeps that family feel. My name's Augie, Truly Nolen manager here out of the Tempe area in Phoenix, Arizona. And I've been with Truly Nolen for 5 years now. I love helping customers in general, walking away feeling like they got a service that helped resolve an issue they've sometimes been dealing with for quite some time. With management at Truly Nolen, it's about support and it's about access. I can pick up the phone and call almost anyone, anywhere in this company to assist me with solving something I can't solve. So a typical day involves me coming in, making sure everyone has what they need to have a successful day. The funnest part of my job is the field work and working with technicians. If you're inspired by servicing and helping others, then Truly Nolen's a company you should consider. So visit trulytalent.com to learn more and apply. Great future here. Go check it out.